Wow, 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 wow. I can pull and tug on them all day. They're so stuck. They're not moving. I hope you're not getting tired of seeing my face so close all the time, because I am, but I just can't stop. I love filming these eyelash extension videos, and I have another very exciting one for you today. We are going to be testing out the very viral eyelash kit from VI's. I've been seeing this everywhere, especially on TikTok, and of course, as your lash girly, I was intrigued and I have to try it for myself. These are the kits I got from VI's. This kit has smaller individual clusters, and these ones have that fan extension look, and I'm going to be doing a little mixture of both to give myself that rush and volume effect. I really love that this is an all-in-one kit. It comes with a tweezer, a bond and seal, a pack of reusable lashes. Ooh, those are soft. It's so important for the clusters to be soft and light because they're not going to weigh down your natural lashes and feel uncomfortable when you're wearing them. Comes with the lash remover as well, which is amazing because most lash kits do not include a remover, and it can be frustrating when you don't have something to remove them with. Let's start the application. I'm going to begin using these lashes. This set has different lengths. It goes from 8 to 18. I'm going to do my normal length, which is size 14 on the outer corners and maybe 12 in the inner corners. I'm going to start applying the lash bond from the outer corners all over my natural lashes. And I personally like to apply the lash bond as I go, so I'm not going to apply any in the inner corners yet until I'm ready to put extensions on there. But once you got a pretty good coat, I'm just going to go in with extension. Lift up the lid a little and apply. Pinch, pinch. Let's add another cluster. I'm going to apply some bond in the inner corners now. Add a size 12. Wow, I really like the way they turned out. They're just like so natural. They look like my real lashes. Now for these, I'm going to be doing things a little bit different. My mic got cut off here as I was explaining how the band on these clusters are almost invisible. They're clear and so thin, which will give you a seamless look and makes it feel lightweight, like you're not even wearing anything on. I'm going to apply the bond lightly on the bottom of the cluster. Apply it on the outer corners. Pinch. Wow, immediately that changed everything. And you don't need that much with this bond. It's so strong. It's gonna stick on and stay on. Oh my goodness, look at that volume. Oh, it's giving drama. I mean, what a difference. They are nice. Already becoming my favorite kit. I just can't get over it. It looks amazing. Now let's seal these babies in and make sure they stay put. This seal is so incredible, so strong. Probably the best one I've ever tried. I never even liked using a lash seal because I feel like it never did anything. But this stuff is great. It just hardens up the bond and your natural lashes stay stuck to those extensions. I just like to mostly put it at the top because that's where your natural lashes are at. I'm going to go in with the clean mascara and get some of that excess off. After we put the seal, they will look a little different and wet, but as it dries, it'll start looking fluffy again. I'm going to quickly do the same thing to this eye. Oh, wow, 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 wow. No cap, it's hands down the best eyelash extension kit that I've ever used. The fact that it comes with everything you need all in one, and every single item in the kit is so good and high quality, it's quite a steal. You have to try these out, as you saw for yourself how easy they are to apply, and it's even easier to remove. It's so simple and easy to do. You basically take the wand and apply it on top, let it sit, then the bond melts away, the lashes just fall off. But besides that, nothing will make these fall off. You can wash your face with soap and water as much as you want. You can sleep with them, you can swim with them, you can do just about anything with them like you normally would. And then if you do get a little water on them, you just brush them out afterwards and they're good to go. I can pull and tug on them all day. They are so stuck. They're not moving. They're so durable, sturdy, and they stay together. They don't like detach from each other. Let's do a quick look down check. When I'm looking down, there's no harsh band or anything. It looks all nice and seamless. You can't really tell that you're wearing lash extensions because your natural lashes cover the band. I am really feeling myself right now. I can't get over how great these turned out. I'm gonna go show them off to my husband and the rest of the world, but I hope you enjoyed watching and I can't wait to see you in my next video. Bye!